Well, get this. Often people do not pay close attention to their auto insurance policy until something goes wrong. And guess what? They could be in for a serious surprise. Here to explain, Nainesh Kotak from Kotak Law. Thank you so much for joining us.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
So this is pretty startling. Break down the numbers.
Right.
You're in a motor vehicle accident, for example. A settlement, is it unusual to get about $100,000? At least the court could agree to give you that.
Sure, it can happen if your injuries are severe enough.
Okay.
Yes.
However, what happens? What's the catch?
Right, the catch is this. There is a $40,000 deductible, just shy of $40,000 for pain and suffering awards or for pain and suffering settlements. That money stays with insurance companies. It doesn't go to a victims fund. So in effect, you're out at $40,000. What makes it so, I think, unusual or so unfair is that this is a secret deductible in the sense that a jury at a trial cannot be told about it. It's in the Insurance Act, but you cannot point that out to a jury. So they may think, well, I'm going to award this person, they've got some chronic pain and they have now arthritis developing. I'm going to award them $35,000 for their pain. Guess what? They get zero. Or they may be told, I'm going to award you, for example, $70,000 for the pain. And they think when they go back to their jury room, that's what they're going to get. No, they get $30,000. And I tell you, most politicians don't know about it, and certainly the general public doesn't know about it.
There's so many questions here.
Yes.
Why is the jury not notified about this?
Right. There is a theory that they may then try to change their numbers to account for it. But I think that, first of all, let's address the deductible itself. Mm-hmm. I mean, I think the jury should be told, my view, because
sure.
This is the law. Let them know what they're deciding. I can talk to you about why the deductible is there and what happens. So in the 1990s, we developed a no-fault system in addition to the fault system. It was supposed to give generous accident benefits, including money for income replacement benefits and treatment. Well, over time, those accident benefits have been taken away and the deductible has increased. It started out at $10,000. Then it went to 15. In 2003, it was 30,000. 2016, it went up to 37,000 and is going up by inflation. So 4 years from now, it could very well be $45,000. But I tell you, from 2010 to 2017, there were 17 reductions in what injured people can get for accident benefits. $3,500 for therapy instead of what they pay for, $65,000, unless they have a fracture or unless they have a complete tear. So,
look, it's shocking because effectively what this means, if you go through, something very serious, potentially lifelong injuries,
yes,
you get nothing.
Well, this is a very good point. In order to get anything for pain and suffering, you need to prove your injury is permanent and serious, and it's affecting your life in a significant way. So you're already, with the legislation, small claims are already weeded out. You're not going to see small claims get anything, meaning just minor whiplash type of cases. They're not going to get any money. So the point is, why have this secret deductible? Why have it when you're already weeding out claims by having a threshold for making sure the injuries are permanent and serious?
Now, we don't have a lot of time, but this at the same time, the rates overall are going up and promises in the past that they would go down, and that's not the case.
It's not happened. In fact, over the past 3 years, insurance premiums in Ontario have gone up by 20%. And what's happened is benefits have been taken away.
Nainesh Kotak, we have to leave it there. Thank you so much for your insight on this.
You're very welcome.
All right.